Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix when the USB device is not recognized in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will be opening the PowerShell window first. So please go to your Windows search tab and we need to type PowerShell, and you will get under best match the PowerShell or Windows PowerShell option. So if you found this one, just please click on the Run as Administrator option here in the right section. And then you will get this user account control window coming up. Just please click on Yes to proceed. And then here you will be getting this kind of window. All you need to do is just to type the command the way I'm typing it. So please type msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostics. After typing this one, just please click on enter, and this will troubleshoot any errors on our system. And then just make a quick restart with your device. After the restart, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we will be going now to the device manager option. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to device manager option. Now once you're in the device manager window, all you need to do is just to look for universal serial bus controllers, this one. Now we need to expand this, so please make a double click on that, and we need to look for composite device. So please make a right click on the composite device and we will be updating this option. So please click on the update driver option here. And if you're connected with the internet connection, please proceed with the search automatically for drivers option. And if you're not, then you can now proceed with the browse my computer for drivers option. Now once you click on this one, you will get this kind of window. All you need to do is just to select this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer option. Now once you do that, you will be shown here compatible hardware drivers. So all you need to do is just to select the latest driver here and then click on next, and then it will start installing the drivers. So once it says that the Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then just please click on close, and then just do the same thing with all the other options here. Since we have three options or three items here that says USB composite device. So if you're also having one or more options of the composite device, all you need to do is just to do the same thing. Just update the driver the way we have updated it. So you can also go with the update the root hub option. So all you need to do is just do the same thing. Since we have two options with the USB root hub, just do the same thing. Please make a right click, click on update driver. And here we will be asked on how do we want to search for driver. So if you're connected with the internet connection, just proceed with the search automatically for drivers option. And if you're not, then proceed with browse my computer for drivers. So once you click on this one, you will be seeing the same kind of window like we had earlier. So here, just do the same thing, select the latest driver, and once selected, just please click on next button here, and then it will start installing the driver. Wait for the prompt that says the Windows has successfully updated your driver. After doing this update method, all you need to do is just to make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed after the restart. And if it's still not fixed, then we will proceed with the last option or last method, which is to go to the control panel option. So please proceed with control panel here under best match. Just please make a click on that to open, and here we need to go with power options. So to see the power options, let us go to the view by category or view by options and select large icons option. So here we need to click on the power options. Now once you have clicked on this one, all you need to do is just to go to the change when the computer sleeps option here in the left pane. Now once you click on this one, we need to click on change advanced power settings. And all you need to do is just to go to the USB settings here. If you're seeing a USB settings here in this box, all you need to do is just to disable it, or click on the option that says disable. And once you have already disabled it, just please click on apply, click on OK, close this windows, and then make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.